What's up guys, you're watching James Eats, where I'm all about Asian cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make my spicy pork ribs with my homemade blue cheese sauce. It is going to be on point. Don't go anywhere, stay with me on James Eats. So the first thing we want to do is prepare our pork ribs. So I have here a nice rack of pork ribs, and I have divided the rack into individual pieces. So I have our pork ribs in my wok with just enough water to cover our ribs. To this I've got a small size onion that I've just cut roughly. I'm going to add that into our wok. I have a couple of slices of ginger going in. I've got a garlic bulb that I've just cut in half. I'm just going to pop that in there. I have 3 tablespoons of just regular white sugar going in. I have a tablespoon of black peppercorns. I've got 2 bay leaves. And I have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce going in there, and depends on how much spice you like. I'm adding in a tablespoon and a half of some chilli flakes. Now you want to bring this to the boil, turn the heat down to low, and you want to simmer that away for about an hour and a half. So while our pork is simmering away, I'm going to show you how to make the chili sauce. So for our chili sauce, I am adding 3 cloves of garlic that I've just roughly cut. I've got a couple of tablespoons of just some honey, goes in. I've got a tablespoon of Sambal. Now Sambal is just like a chili garlic paste. I've also got about a tablespoon of Gochujang. It's a Korean chili paste that goes in. Couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, and I have a tablespoon of Mirin. It is a cooking sweet sake, so that goes in. And now we just want to give this a bit of a blitz with our little blender here. That's good chili sauce. Lovely kick to it, slight sweetness. So that sauce is ready to go. So we want to pop this into the fridge while we're still cooking our pork ribs. So to complement our beautiful spicy pork ribs, I'm going to show you how to make an easy blue cheese sauce. I have here 50 grams of blue vein cheese, and that goes. I've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I've got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I've just got some salt and pepper, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And that goes. And we want to now give this a bit of a blitz. I've also got a teaspoon of lemon juice as well, so just adding that to the mix. Our pork ribs are done simmering, so we're going to remove them from the wok, and we're going to place them on the grill. Do you hear that sizzle? She hot! With our nice chili sauce, just going to give our ribs a nice coat. Oh, that's the money maker right there. They are looking pretty good. So we want to just leave these on the grill just enough to give our ribs a nice little char. Our ribs are looking good, guys. It is time to plate. Just sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds with our lovely blue cheese sauce. And there you have it, guys. James Eats. chili pork ribs with a homemade blue cheese sauce. Delish. Let's get into these pork ribs. First I want to try the pork rib without the blue cheese sauce. That meat is just falling off the bone, super tender. Woo! It's got a mean kick to it, but it's very tasty. Let's try it with the blue cheese sauce. Stop it. That blue cheese sauce works so well with it. The chilliness of this pork rib. Oh, it is absolutely delicious. The spice on these pork ribs give a good kick, and then you got that lovely blue vein cheese sauce to cool the palate. Great combination. This dish is delish. Check out my channel for many other recipes, and if you want to know a good beef pho recipe, click on the link here. And I upload videos every week, so click that subscribe button, hit that noti bell so that you can get notified with all the new videos I upload weekly. Thanks for watching my videos here on James Eats.